Hello everyone, my name is Devansh and today I'm going to tell you about satellites. So we are learning what is a satellite, first satellite of both world and India, parts and uses of satellite. Now what is a satellite? A satellite is a machine that orbits any planet among the solar system. So it communicates by sending radio signals. Now where these radio signals go? These signals go to everyday devices like laptop, mobile, tablet, etc. We monitor temperature, humidity level, light intensity, and pressure from satellite. So it has a special camera that helps us to get maps. They see how they just click a photo by gathering all information and send it to us. Lifespan of a satellite is approx 10 to 15 years, and after a period of that much time, it comes in a graveyard orbit. A graveyard orbit is a type of a orbit where the satellite ends its life. Now let us come to types of satellites. Now there are two types of satellites, natural and man-made. Natural satellites are moons of planets. For example, lunar is the natural satellite of the Earth. So here in this video, you can see that the moon is orbiting the Earth. Next. Now, and man-made satellites. There are four main types of man-made satellites: communication, Earth observation, navigation, and astronomical. Communication and navigation relate to military defense. And while Earth observation observes the Earth and tells us what the weather it is, and astronomical satellites tells us about what astronomical events will happen. Like if there's a conjunction between two planets, the astronomical satellite will detect with its camera by gathering all information and send it to us. We'll know how it works. Now orbits of satellite. There are three orbits of satellite: LEO, MEO, and GEO. LEO means low Earth orbit, and that is 160 to 1,500 kilometers far. And this is mostly used for remote sensing, Earth observation, and scientific research. Now, medium or middle Earth orbit is 5,000 to 20,000 kilometers far, mostly used for GPS services. Now, the geostationary Earth orbit is the farthest orbit of the Earth, and that is 35,786 kilometers above Earth's surface, commonly used for communication, phones, etc. Now let us talk about first satellite of the world and Sputnik. Of the world in India, I mean. So Sputnik 1 was the world's first satellite. It was launched on 4th of October 1957 by the Soviet Union. Now it is Russia, but at that time it was called Soviet Union. So its design was a ball with 4 sticks. These sticks are antennas, and this ball is the heat shield. Now, Sergei Korolev, a Soviet engineer, has designed it, built it, and launched the satellite. Now, let us talk about India's first satellite. Aryabhatta was India's first satellite. It was named after a famous mathematician, Aryabhatta, who invented number 0. It was launched on 19th of April 1975 in Kapustin Yar, a small town in Russia. Now, its design was solar panels all over. Not on 1, 2, 3 side, but all sides solar panels were there. Now this satellite was launched using Soviet Cosmos 3M rocket. It was launched by ISRO, the Indian Space Research Organization. It was launched in Russia but designed in India. Now it weighed for 360 kg. Now parts of satellite. That we can divide the parts of satellite into two parts: essential and payload. The essential components of the satellite are the computer, which does all the work; bus or the frame, which is the skeleton or the base of the satellite; batteries, which have enough power for the satellite to work; the solar panels, which collects the solar energy; the thrusters, which control